everyone, Succulents Box here again. Succulents, often known for their love of little water and sun, but they can get sunburnt just like humans. So what can you do when your succulent gets sunburnt? Is it severe? In today's video, to help you resolve these worries, we're going to share with you some tips to save your dying succulents, especially sunburned succulents. How do we know when our succulents are sunburnt? Sunburnt succulents will develop discolored patches on their leaves. If only part of the plant was exposed to the sun, there may only be certain sections showing signs of sunburn. Depending on the severity of the burn, the patches may be tan, brown, or black in color. The more severe the damage, the darker the discoloration will be. Change the place of the succulent is usually the first step most new succulent owners take. It's reasonable to place the sunburnt succulent out of the sunny location to a less sunny place. For outdoor succulents, the morning sun is cooler and hence doesn't burn the succulents. The strong UV rays combined with the high afternoon temperatures compound the problem. So, if your succulent is sunburnt with brown and black patches, then move it to a shadier area, or provide some kind of shade after the morning sun. For outdoor succulents, if you place them close to a window, the full blast of the sun that comes in there will result in much exposure and hence succulent sunburn. So to save your plant, just put it in after your plants have received its dose of 6 hours of bright indirect sunlight. We might think succulents are desert plants and should thrive in sun without any cover. We forget that many succulents are from tropical zones and need indirect sunlight. So, getting a shade net or cloth, in this case, is the ideal solution for preventing succulent sunburn. Shade nets are designed to filter out the light or UV rays that pass through them, preventing overheating as they allow only certain amounts of sunlight. They are manufactured using knitted plastic, and that makes them resistant to tearing, decaying, or fungi. While succulents don't like to sit in very wet soil, they are much less likely to suffer an intense heat if the ground is slightly wet or freshly watered. To keep your succulents from drying out so quickly, try watering them in the morning or evening when the temperatures are cooler. You can mist the soil lightly as that helps the roots remain cool, and sufficient moisture in the leaf helps the plants fight the heat. Besides that, you need to check the soil every day to see whether the medium is dry and add moisture to the soil in early mornings to avoid sun-heated water that can potentially harm your succulents. In some cases, the leaves are 70 to 80% sunburned. The leaf will actually turn dry and black. You need to remove them, as it will just be taking nutrients from the plant. If the leaves are still quite green, then you can leave them, as they can still make food for the plant in a day. Damaged leaves won't heal once they develop brown or black spots, so it's better if you cut them with a sterilized knife or a pair of scissors. We know caring for your succulent isn't always easy, and sometimes you have to learn the hard way. There may be little you can do for sunburnt succulents, but you can learn from the experience and better prepare to avoid sunburn in the future. If you guys enjoyed these and found these tips useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We'll see you again next time.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.